How to perform RYOBI ONE Plus 18V13 in Cordless String Trimmer Line Replacement. To perform RYOBI ONE Plus 18V13 in Cordless String Trimmer Line Replacement, you can follow the steps below. Remove the battery from the device by pressing down on the sides of the battery and pulling it out. Press down on the clips on the sides of the spool cap with one hand and lift up the cap with your other hand. Remove the cap and set it aside. Remove the old trimmer line spool from the device and discard it. Get a new trimmer line spool that is compatible with your device. You can buy a pack of 3 spools from Amazon or from the RYOBI website or, depending on the size of the line you need, 0.065 or 0.080. Insert the new trimmer line spool into the device, making sure the line is aligned with the eyelet on the spool housing. Extend the line to about 3 to 4 inches and insert it through the eyelet. Place the spool cap back on the device and snap it into place. If you need more line, press down on the gray button on the cap and pull out more line. Reinsert the battery into the device and you are ready to use it. Learn more, RYOBI ONE Plus AC14RL3AOEM.065. Line and spool replacement for RYOBI 18V. s://www.amazon.com